Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Learn with GemPages series. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Shopify product page look more professional by using the product assignment feature in GemPages. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to apply a GemPages template to your product instead of relying on Shopify's default theme template. Let's get started. You can use the timestamps below to easily navigate through this video. There are two simple ways to assign a product to your template in GemPages. Let's start with the first method, using the product page dashboard. From the GemPages dashboard, navigate to the Pages section. Select the product page type and locate your preferred template. Click on the Assign Product button next to the template name. Then a window will appear allowing you to select the products. Please note that we have two options here. 1. Apply to selected products. After selecting, your chosen products will be assigned to this template. 2. Apply to all products. After selecting, all products, except the ones already assigned to another template, will be assigned to this template. And don't forget to click Sync again. This step ensures that your products are correctly linked to your GemPages template. You just need to click Confirm once you're done. Next, click View Live to preview how your products appear with the assigned template. An important note: to view a product on the live page, the product must be set to active and published to the online store in Shopify products. Now let's move on to the second method, assigning products directly through the template editor. Start by opening the template you want to use. In Product Source, make sure you select Display by Assigned Product. This ensures that products are displayed correctly within the products. Next, select Manage Assigned Products, which will take you to a window similar to what you see when assigning products directly from the dashboard. The steps here are the same as the ones we previously performed in the product dashboard. To quickly preview how the assigned products will appear in this template, follow these steps. Click on Product Preview. Here you'll see all products that have been assigned to the template. Simply click on the product you want, and the changes will update instantly in the editor. Once again, to view the live product, don't forget to click Save and Publish. And that's it. The products you've just assigned will now beautifully display within your GemPages template. To summarize, there are two ways to assign products to a template: through the product dashboard, through the template editor. Each template in GemPages has its own unique style, making it easy for you to match your products with the perfect design. I hope this video helps you create stunning product pages that attract customers and boost your sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials from GemPages.